Alright. Like, you thought the recording was just for show?
I guess.
Alright, I think I did everything, yeah.
Hopefully I added some more laughs to your series or whatever.
I'm just making it for Mick, so I can watch it later.
You gonna put this on YouTube later?
Well, I already put a few on YouTube.
Well, that's great. Let's hear the bottle of whistle.
I got my Whittle Blaster. You like my Whittle Blaster?
Whittle Blaster.
You got Will Blaster. You got eat
Yo, Whittle Blaster.
What the fuck?
Do you have your little blaster when you Cratchit?
Cratchit. Cratchit.
Cratchit and Pikachu?
Fuck it. Damn it, I was gonna say that.
Back in my day, we used blasters.
Back in my day, we used to call him Barfmander.
Back in my day, we did things against the Geneva Convention.
Back in my day, we just did crack.
Nice.
Back in my day, moonshine was a drink.
Back in my day, we killed people for fun.
Back in the old west, we would kill a man in the morning, cover him in spices and such, and then we'd eat him.
Just nom.
Well, we ranked though because of that.
Back in my day, we committed felonies on the daily.
Back in my day, we were allowed to use
What's stopping you?
We were able to put them in a woodshed. Look at that.
What have we
That's
done?
Snippy talking about it. Yep, I can confirm. Trust me, Maxley. You don't want to go in the woodshed. Trust me, I took Donald there. He's never been the same since. What a moose!
I got a really funny one, but I'm
Oh
not
my
gonna
lord.
say it.
Are you actually playing the full thing?
You get nothing! It turns out the clubhouse does, and we've been cheated and lied to. There's no clubhouse.
There's no, it's just, you're just on acid the whole time.
No. Mickey just took you out into the middle of the woods because he's planning on hiding your body later.
Text VC text because I'm not gonna say that out loud, but I thought it was funny.
Back in my day, we were allowed to say slurs.
You know what I think it is?
Back in my day, we could say never with G's.
I was playing ear race.
I swear to fucking god.
Back in my day, vaporwave was seen as legal.
Back in my day, cocaine was in our sodas.
Back in my day, we could marry the 10-year-old off to a 20-year-old.
That's this whole day. That's this whole video. It's just gonna be back in our day.
Yeah, people are gonna slowly get tired of it. Back in my day, actually listen to us when we said back in my day.
You gotta listen here, Shunny.
Wesley, listen to the elders when they said back in my day.
Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh.
You see, my friend and I need to speak to
So that's a loud keyboard, I'm gonna say that.
You mean you and your
I can
walking
hear
camera?
it.
You paparazzi make me sick. No,
Oh
baby.
lord, that's what you've been
I'm
playing.
trying to-
You've been playing like
the keyboard's cracked so loud you can hear it over the megaphone.
Captain in his underpants. Then
Underpants?
you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million volts.
You've got
And
it
it
all wrong.
was relaxing.
You're making 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback in advance.
In my day, we had to pull things
I don't got enough
We didn't have
money.
motor cars. We didn't even have horses back in my day.
Back in my day, we shot all the buffalo.
Back in my day, we didn't complain when we built the pyramids.
That is not hear what you're playing. What are you doing? Okay, I'm just gonna mute you then.
Back then, we knew those crazy Japs were up to something.
Oh no.
Granddad, you can't say that no more. Yeah, you should know.
It's all like your grandpa. You can't say that anymore. Does it look like I can't beat your ass?
I don't give a shit about your feelings, bitch. You're a dumbass for thinking I care.
Oh my god.
You think I haven't killed people?
I killed many of those N-words. The only crime I was never allowed. The only crime that I've never committed is tax fraud, and that's because the IRS is a bitch. Trust me, I'm crazy enough to fight the Batman, but the IRS? No, thank you.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. It's gonna be the best video yet.
Yeah. What's something else that would be funny?
I'm just gonna punch him.
Nice.
Back in my day, we used to give sponges to people as presents. I still do it to this day. I call them SpongeBob.
Back in my
I mean, like these little shits that say, but SpongeBob isn't blue, it has a green abrasive side. I'm like, shut up, he does what he has to do. Get back to scrubbing the floor.
It's like the worst person ever.
Thank God he got it. It's a shame I got arthritis, or else I'd never be able to do the things I did when I was younger.
Okay, Grandpa, take your pill.
Grandpa, take your pill.
Back in my day, we were able to rape crops and burn women.
Oh no.
I think you mean rape women and raise crops. Shut up! I know exactly what I said. Don't correct me.
I'll correct your throat.
Don't correct.
That's what she said.
Dumbass. I'll make sure you can't walk straight.
Okay, hey,
That's also what she said.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay.
You try to be a little shit with me, I'm gonna stab you in the leg to make you walk funny. Like me.
Okay, good night. Have
I don't know why they make hip replacements so expensive. I haven't even gotten one. I've got serious arthritis.
Time to
I'm
get
too old to get the hip replacement. And then when I had the money to get the hip replacement, I was too old to get it.
I just like
Hey, Grandpa, I gotta get going.
This is
Does
like
anybody remember the Boston Massacre of 1778? I remember. I was the guy that killed
Grandpa, you're
Glenn.
60. You weren't there.
I was there. I remember it because then I met the guy at Woodstock.
Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts.
Just me, I was 40 when I went to Woodstock.
Look, trash can. Did I say anything about
I am nearly 1 billion years old.
mouth or I'll...
I have all the knowledge in the world.
I heard.
Rhino for your robot.
Who's that?
Okay, Ratchet.
Alright.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Was that your mommy?
A new one.
What did you just say to me?
Why?
No, I haven't. I actually gave her her meds. That's why she was in the bathroom.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy.
Nightmares.
I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blars.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? After all,
Wait, don't tell me.
Oh.
Rip you a new one.
I know for your robot. Trade you.
This cutscene's just never ending.
Okay, Ratchet.
Whose dog is barking in
Never-ending cutscene.
Rip you a new one.
What did
Wait,
you
no.
say?
Let me sing it in actual, trying to sing voice. It's the never-ending cutscene. Have you guys seen like the never-ending story?
No.
No.
Well, that was what it was trying to
Never
reference there. Because it's got a theme song that's like the never-ending story or something like that.
I got
Your mom is a never-ending story. Oh!
Oh, Rosen.
It's on you. She's been dead since. I forgot.
2.5.
Heck of all, I wish I could remember.
5.
But also, I'd like to say this. If you say happy holidays to me, I will kick your ass.
Gosh.
It's Merry Christmas. I don't want to have to ask what holiday. If you're going to say I should get the holidays correct, I don't want to have to ask somebody what holiday they celebrate. You know what? I think I might know a way to fix it. It's Happy. Shut the fuck up.
Back in my day, we
You're not old. Don't say back in my day. You're not old enough to say it.
back in my day we
Stop saying that. You're a young person saying that's like an N-word to an old person.
back in my day.
Okay, now you sound old enough.
Back in my day, we
If you don't have nothing to say about your day, then don't say anything about your day.
it was worse than dog.
Back in my Spaniard days, we used to pillage Southern Americans for the sake of them not having gold.
Oh, yikes.
Back in my day,
Trust me, I was with Christopher Columbus when we did that. Trust me, he was a dick. Also, what is this canceling people?
Oh,
Is it like TV shows? Shows where the parents are like, oh, this kid's not doing well, let's cancel him.
no, it's like you're shooting them. You just end their life. It's just canceling them.
Yeah, basically.
Huh. Well, I should have canceled my grandchildren then.
Oh, yikes. That's good.
Building up phlegm.
I think your throat hurts for doing that.
Actually, no. The voices that hurt my throat doing them are like Wario and Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Oh, you didn't Dr. Doofenshmirtz?
Yes, I can. In fact, I'm considered one of the greatest impersonators of the famous Doctor.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, I like that.
Why? You? Are you? Just asking. Have you seen Perry the Platypus around here?
No, but I see.
And I'm my name is
penetrative.
Oh, what?
He's not gonna
The anus penetrator.
Hold on, I'm trying to think of something here. Behold! The non-consenting penetrationinator!
Oh, yikes.
With this device, I'll be able to penetrate computers without consent, so I may steal everyone's information on Roblox.
Oh, that one. Okay.
See, it's okay.
Yep.
And then his daughter, like, comes in and is like, Dad, nobody plays Roblox anymore. And he's like, shut up, Vanessa, you don't know where the money is at.
It's like, it's time to use my shut the fuck up enable.
Oh, mine steal a meme-inator. With Detonator, I would be able to steal every meme in the world. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a meme stealing license? Not Evo. Sorry, sir, you can't steal memes without a license.
Nice.
That's your name, meme stealing police. Yeah, the meme police. They keep you from stealing memes.
Oh, you want to see something cursed in this game?
What?
Yes.
The side. What's wrong with the side flips?
No. You don't understand what I'm doing. Just wait for it.
Is that woman over there in that crop circle going to be like, "Hey, you knock it off right now"?
Nah, you'll see in just a sec what this does.
Also, I called that thing a crop circle.
Whoa!
Captain Clark's giving
Oh god, her cleavage is so big it's clipping into itself.
Oh god.
That will be the proof of your accomplishment.
Did you see it like clip into itself?
Yes.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yes.
Jesus Christ, her arms are clipping through it too! Holy shit!
Guess we'll see about that.
Like, give Lady Dimitrescu, at least it was within proportion and didn't clip through itself.
But when you side flip in front of her, for some reason, it makes that bigger.
Oh, what?
Oh! Wait, what the? You just suddenly changed to another game. Wait.
That's what the
You cheat,
cutscene
bro?
was about. That was the cutscene. He was talking about you were doing.
Why'd you
like
skip to the sledding session here? That's my question. You got emulators?
I gotta be kind of careful.
Dude, like, can you give me an explanation for what the hell just happened? You just suddenly went to grinding on the skateboard.
What is that?
You just suddenly started grinding on a skateboard out of nowhere.
No, I haven't.
Did I like black out for a little bit while you were running around or whatever? Anyway, earlier when we were talking about the lady's boob, like, is there like a limit to how big it gets, or does it just explode when it gets too big?
So there's a limit.
I just set it to like the max. Is all.
It's so big you can't even see the map anymore. Who put all these dynamite crates here? Also, breaking crates? What is this, Crash Banuka?
Oh, I know what I have to do.
Oh, okay, so you talked to her about entering a mission, and then that just teleports you to that.
Yeah.
Okay, I was confused for a sec. I was really confused there. We had skateboards that were nothing but one wheel. We had to ride on one wheel. And that's how we'd get to school. In the snow. Uphill for 2 miles. Back in my day, cars were allowed to crash into each other if someone was being an idiot on the fast lane. I mean, we did some NASCAR shit on the highway. It was awesome.
Ah.
I
folks, Captain Quark here. It is my great pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic
Jesus Christ, I
champion.
really... This guy's chin. Ew, it's disgusting.
That's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional grade
God.
model
Does it
T15
walk?
Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by
Jesus
Gadgetron, this hoverboard
Christ, there's so
provides
much
more
clipping.
lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market.
Oh god, they're throbbing. Ew. I hate that.
To set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon.
Ooh, do her boobs act like boners where like the more you jump, the more aroused they get?
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, that's I just made that more cursed than it ever had to be.
Yes.
Shall we test the limits?
No.
I almost want to test the limits just because the idea of it's so absurd.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Ratchet, I don't have WD-40.
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together?
Does anybody else
You
feel
want our help?
that his chin just looks really weird?
I've never seen
Yes.
anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean...
At least he doesn't have like a long head
Oh, here.
with that chin.
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes
Hey,
a
it's
hero?
that teddy bear guy.
Compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat
I know the secret
rescue more damsels in distress and save more
flying.
civilizations than any
Hello.
other hero in the
You
galaxy.
plunge your buttocks and say,
Now is your opportunity to
Detroit Smash and send it to your legs.
Coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer
Detroit Smash? Let me guess, is that a reference to the hit popular anime Boku no Hero
Just
Academia?
make your way through the defenses to the center of the base.
No, it's Boku no
And earn
Pico.
your
What do
place
you think
in
it is?
galactic history. Consult your
Dude, that's my
doctor.
favorite.
Strenuous exercise, not responsible for death or
I
dismemberment.
don't even know what like Boku no Pico is about anyhow. I just hear that it's like cursed.
Underage yaoi.
Meet me in
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hey,
Yuck.
Captain Ratchet.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just wanted to say hi to Dust.
Sir, we promise.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, bye.
Now I'm gonna have that in the video.
Well, Bane, to take a taxi.
Look at my wrench fly.
You got the triple wrench.
Need to find. Okay.
Alright.
How do I do this?
Good umbris. Navalis.
Oh crap. Wait.
Navalissimo. Shh. Do a barrel roll. Press 0R twice. Do a barrel roll.
Alright, time to stop the recording.